Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the universe and all its secrets. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on this journey through the cosmos. Today, we're going to talk about a fascinating discovery that's got astronomers buzzing with excitement. Imagine a black hole lurking in the depths of space, waiting to disrupt the peaceful existence of a nearby star. It's a cosmic collision course, and scientists have just witnessed it happening in a distant galaxy. Using the powerful Hubble Space Telescope and the Chandra X-ray Observatory, researchers have identified an intermediate mass black hole, nestled in a compact star cluster, tearing apart a star that wandered too close. This phenomenon is known as a tidal disruption event, where the black hole's gravity stretches and ultimately consumes the star, releasing an enormous amount of energy in the process. The event is so powerful that it can be seen from millions of light years away, giving scientists a rare glimpse into the inner workings of these mysterious black holes. The discovery was made while studying a pair of galaxies, NGC 6099 and NGC 6098, located about 200 million light-years from Earth. The intermediate mass black hole, dubbed AXX1, is estimated to have a mass around 10,000 times that of our Sun, making it smaller than the supermassive black holes found at the centers of galaxies, but larger than the stellar mass black holes formed from the collapse of individual stars. This finding has significant implications for our understanding of black hole formation and growth. Scientists believe that intermediate mass black holes like AXX1 could be the building blocks of supermassive black holes, which are thought to reside at the hearts of most galaxies. By studying these events, researchers can gain insights into the evolution of galaxies and the role that black holes play in shaping their environments. The discovery of AXX1 is a testament to the power of collaborative astronomy, with scientists using multiple telescopes and observatories to piece together the puzzle of this cosmic event. As we continue to explore the universe, we're reminded of the awe-inspiring complexity and beauty that surrounds us. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. I'm your host, Carl. As we continue our journey through the cosmos, we find ourselves at a pivotal moment in space exploration. The private sector is pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and NASA is still at the forefront of innovation. Today, we're going to talk about two stories that highlight the progress being made in space travel. First, let's take a look at Rocket Lab, a company that's been making waves with its innovative approach to launching small satellites into orbit. They've got a new competitor on the horizon, but as Passant Rabi from Gizmodo reports, they're facing some challenges getting off the launch pad. It seems that Rocket Lab is having trouble accessing their launch site due to some logistical issues. Now, this might seem like a minor setback, but it's a reminder that even with all the advancements in technology, space exploration is still a complex and nuanced field. On the other hand, we have NASA celebrating a major milestone, the 75th anniversary of the first rocket launch from Cape Canaveral. This historic event marked the beginning of a new era in space exploration, and since then, thousands of rockets have taken to the skies from this iconic facility. From crewed missions to the Moon, to the International Space Station, Cape Canaveral has played a critical role in advancing our understanding of the universe. As we look to the future, it's exciting to think about what's next for space travel. With private companies like Rocket Lab and SpaceX pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and NASA continuing to innovate and explore, the possibilities are endless. And speaking of SpaceX, their Crew 11 mission is set to launch from Kennedy Space Center on July 31st, carrying astronauts to the International Space Station. As we take a moment to appreciate the progress being made in space exploration, let's not forget the challenges that still lie ahead. From overcoming logistical hurdles to pushing the boundaries of human knowledge, there's still so much to be discovered. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat, folks. I'm your host, Carl, and we're excited to dive into the latest news from the world of space exploration as we wrap up today's show. As we gaze up at the night sky, we're reminded of the incredible feats that human ingenuity and curiosity can achieve. And what better example than the upcoming Crew 11 mission to the International Space Station? As we speak, a team of brave astronauts is preparing to embark on a journey that will take them to the forefront of scientific research and discovery. The Crew 11 mission is a testament to the power of collaboration between governments, private industry, and international partners. With the help of American private companies like SpaceX, NASA's Commercial Crew Program has made it possible for us to have safe, reliable, and cost-effective access to low Earth orbit. Imagine being able to conduct experiments in microgravity, to test new technologies that will one day take us to the moon and beyond, and to push the boundaries of human knowledge. That's exactly what the astronauts on board the Crew 11 mission will be doing. And with the International Space Station serving as a hub for scientific research and innovation, we can expect groundbreaking discoveries that will benefit not just our understanding of space, but also improve life here on Earth. As we count down to launch, you can join in on the excitement by following NASA's social media channels, using hashtags like #Crew11 and #NASASocial. You can even attend the launch virtually and receive a stamp for your NASA Virtual Guest Passport. And if you're interested in learning more about the mission in Spanish, be sure to check out NASA en Español on X, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. The Crew 11 mission is a reminder that we're living in a remarkable era of space exploration. With private companies like SpaceX leading the charge, and governments around the world investing in space research and development, the possibilities seem endless. As we look up at the stars, we're reminded that we're part of something much bigger than ourselves. A universe full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.